Kraken, how to trade. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can trade on Kraken, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you would like to basically trade on Kraken, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is, trading includes buying and selling of cryptocurrency. So all we have to do is buy it at a low price, sell it when the value of the cryptocurrency that we bought or purchased increases. So for example, let's say I buy Bitcoin today for $100 and I get certain amount of Bitcoin. Tomorrow, selling that same amount of Bitcoin, I get $150, which means I have got $50 of profit because the Bitcoin value increased. So that is basically called trading. So open up your Kraken application, log into your account, select a crypto that you would like to purchase, which could be Ethereum, Bitcoin, or anything. Then you can tap the buy option here. Make sure that you verify your identity, complete the process, and make sure to buy it. After you do that, once you think after a couple of weeks or days that the value have increased, then you can come to portfolio tab, select the cryptocurrency you'd like to sell, and then you'll be able to make a sale accordingly. And that's all it takes to go ahead and then basically buy or trade crypto on Kraken. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.